Hello friends, I am Dr. Rupa Gupta. In this video, again I am going to explain multiple choice questions on trade in India. So let's start with question number 1. When retailer buy a large quantity of goods, then wholesaler act as A. Non-existent partner, B. Silent earner, C. Reservoir, D. Ignored identity. And the answer is C, and that is reservoir. Question number 2. Trade between two countries is known as A. Domestic trade, B. International trade, C. Import trade, D. Export trade. And the correct answer is B. International trade. Question number 3. Person who runs his own shop is known as A. Single owner, B. One retailer, C. Shopkeeper, D. Independent retailer. And the correct answer is D. Independent retailer. Question number 4. In recent years, Dash has been growing fast. This includes consumers through direct mail, catalogs, telephone and internet. The options are A. Specialty stores, B. Shopping stores, C. Non-store retailing, D. E-commerce. And the correct answer is D. E-commerce. Question number 5. Place utility is making the products available at A. Showrooms, B. Convenient location, C. Distant places, D. Regional stores. And the correct answer is B. Convenient location. Question number 6. The capital requirement is high in A. Unorganized retail, B. Organized retail, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. And the answer is B. Organized retail. Question number 7. Life insurance was nationalized in A. 1947, B. 1951, C. 1956, D. 1959. And the correct answer is C. 1956. Question number 8. Wholesalers are the last example of A. Agents, B. Businessman, C. Middleman, D. Partner. And the correct answer is C. Middleman. Question number 9. This retail business acts as a universal supplier of a wide variety of products. The options are A. Departmental store, B. Multiple shop, C. Mail order business, D. Tele shopping. And the answer is A. Departmental store. Question number 10. The exchange of goods and services are known as A. Domestic trade, B. International trade, C. Trade, D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Trade. Question number 11. Which of the following is not considered as factors of production? A. Land, B. Labor, C. Money, D. Capital. And the correct answer is C. Money. Question number 12. Trade between two countries is known as A. External, B. Internal, C. Inter-regional, D. None of the above. And the correct answer is A. External. Question number 13. International trade is most likely to generate short-term unemployment in Option A. Industries in which there are neither imports nor exports, B. Import competing industries, C. Industries that sell to domestic and foreign buyers, D. Industries that sell to only foreign buyers. And the correct answer is A. Industries in which there are neither imports nor exports. Question number 14. Free traders maintain that an open economy is advantageous in that it provides all the following except A. Increased competition for world producers, B. A wider selection of products for consumers, C. Relatively high wage levels for all domestic workers, D. The utilization of the most efficient production methods. And the correct answer is C, and that's relatively high wage levels for all domestic workers. Question number 15. Which of the following is not a benefit of international trade? Option A. Lower domestic prices. B. Development of more efficient methods and new products. C. A greater range of consumption choices. D. High wage levels for all domestic workers. And the answer is D, and that is high wage levels for all domestic workers. Question number 16. Which is not an advantage of international trade? Option A. Export of surplus production. B. Import of defense material. C. Dependence on foreign countries. D. Availability of cheap raw material. And the answer is C. Dependence on foreign countries. Question number 17. Trade between two countries can be useful if cost ratios of goods are A. Equal, B. Different, C. Undetermined, D. Decreasing. And the correct answer is D. Decreasing. Question number 18. Foreign trade creates among countries A. Conflicts, B. Cooperation, C. Hatred, D. Both A and B. And the correct answer is B. Cooperation. Question number 19. All are advantages of foreign trade except A. People get foreign exchange, B. Cheaper goods, C. Nations compete, D. Optimum utilization of countries' resources. And the answer is C. Nations compete. Question number 20. Dash sells the goods in periodical market such as weekly or monthly. Your options are A. Manufacturer, B. Market trader, C. Consumers, D. Agents. And the correct answer is B. Market trader. Question number 21. Dash is an advantages of mall. A. Attract large number of customer. B. Wide choice. C. Convenience in shopping. D. All of these. And the correct answer is D, and that's all of these. Question number 22. Dash is a large retailing business unit which sell wide variety of consumer goods under one roof. And your options are A. Showroom, B. Supermarket, C. Small bazaar, D. Trade market. And the correct answer is B. Supermarket. Question number 23. Which of the following is not the feature of Indian mall? Option A. Different ownership, B. Large in size, C. 24/7 shopping, D. Wide range of products. And the correct answer is 24/7 shopping. Question number 24. The main disadvantages of chain stores. A. Economic of scale, B. Transfer of goods, C. No bad debts, D. Limited selection of goods. And the correct answer is D, and that is limited selection of goods.